Good day to everyone. We, the Group 1, are going to present our topic, Leadership and Management. Today we'll explore the important concepts of leadership and management, discuss the fundamentals of leadership and management, explain leadership roles, development, and behavior, and understand how leaders and managers differ. Let's proceed to the meaning of leadership. So leadership is a social relationship between two or more people working towards common goals. It has the ability to inspire visions, motivate and guide others, and focus on growth and people. Leadership is more than just giving orders. It's about influence, vision, and connection. A leader guides a team not just through authority, but through inspiration and trust. Now, management, in the other hand, is the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling resources to achieve goals. Management has the ability to plan and execute operations, control day-to-day activities, and focus on system and structure. Management is about structure and execution. Managers make sure everything runs smoothly and objectives are met using strategic processes.
Leaders and versus manager. Aspect, leader and versus manager. Focus, vision, sa leader, vision and innovation. And manager naman, processes and its structure. Sa approach naman, leader, inspire and motivates. Sa manager is plan and organize. Sa change is leader, drive change. Sa manager is maintain stability. Sa tao naman, leader leads people, manager manage work, influence builds trust and followers. Sa manager is hold firm on authority. Sa goals, sa leader is long-term growth and transforming. Manager short-term objectives and efficient.
Fundamentals of leadership. Vision. Ability to set a clear direction for the future. Inspiration. Motivates and energizes people to perform at their best. Communication. Effectively conveys goals, values, and expectations. Emotional intelligence. Understands and manages one's own emotions and those of others. Decision making. Makes strategic choices to guide the team or organization. Fundamentals of management. Planning. Sets goals and outlines steps to achieve them. Organizing. Allocates resources and assigns tasks effectively. Leading. Management function. Directs and coordinates staff activities. Controlling. Monitors performance and makes necessary adjustments. Problem solving. Addresses challenges using structured approaches.
Leadership roles. First, mentor. Mentor shares experience to guide others. Like parang noong nagsimula, mali ako. Pero ngayon, may confident na ako. Like ganun, sir. Like parang gabay sa team, parang senior na hindi madamot. Next, sir, coach. Ito yung gives feedback based on performance. Parang tuturuan ka niya para maging effective kung ano yung tinuturo niya. Like parang dapat kung may coach ka na gagawa niyo ng tama yung training, example training, kailangan yung magawa yung training na yun para mas maganda yung performance. Next, sir, number 3, trainer. This is transfers knowledge and improves skills. Like parang kulang pa yung kaalaman ko. Example, sir, sa pagbabasketball, kulang pa yung kaalaman ko sa pagbabasketball. Di ko pa alam mag-dribble, di ko pa alam mag-pasa or any rules pa lang yung alam ko sa basketball, sir. Like parang andun yung trainer para turuan ako, para i-guide ako sa mga hindi ko pa alam na moves or skills na i-improve. And next, sir, influencer. This is like inspire through example. Parang hindi mo kailangan ng 1M followers basta ginagaya ka ng team. Like parang ganun, sir. Example, laging late influencer ka, pero hindi sa tamang paraan, kundi sa maling paraan. And next, sir, strategies. Strategies, sir, develop step-by-step plans. Like parang may plan A to Z, tas ready kahit zombie apocalypse pa yan, sir. And next, sir, communicator. Conveys clear messages and listen. Like parang sa pakikipag-usap, sir, like parang maayos at walang putol sa pakikipag-usap at pakikinig sa kakausapin, sir. Next, sir, number 7, visionary. The visionary sees the big picture and motivates the team. Ito yung tipo ng leader na sinasabi na kaya pa natin to, may patutunguhan pa tayo. And hindi lang, example, hindi lang tayo nandito pero kaya pa nating pumunta dito. Like, parang ganun, sir, yung visionary. Next, sir, number 8, organizer. An organizer plans and arrange activities efficiently. Like, ito yung leader, sir, na laging may listahan, laging may schedule. Example na lang, sir, sa secretary sa school. Kailangan niya ng attendance palagi. Tapos, kailangan niya may record yung mga quizzes. Pag, kunwari, hindi na input ng teacher, kailangan ng secretary, like ganun, sir. Kailangan leader na laging may listahan, may schedule, may Google Sheet na hindi makalat na gagalawan. Ganun, sir. Next, sir, number 9, motivator. A motivator encourages the team by giving praise and rewards. Like parang hindi niya sinasabing good job, kundi sinasabi niyang binibigyan niya ng reward, sir, yung ka-group niya, or nire-recognize niya yung simpleng ang galing mo kanina, malaking tulong na yon, at ipagpatuloy mo lang kasi maganda yung ginagawa mo. Like parang ganun po, sir, like example of motivator. And lastly, sir, role model. A role model sets standard for others to follow. Like parang kung paano siya kumilos, ganun din dapat ang team. Like parang as one, para mas mapadali yung gagawin or mas mapadali yung activity or group activity. Ganun, sir. To wrap up, sir, a good leader wears many hats. Minsan mentor, minsan coach, minsan strategist, minsan motivator. Ang mahalaga, nai-adjust niya ang sarili niyang team para sa panggagalingan ng team.
Leadership development. Self-awareness. Development starts with understanding oneself. Leaders must be aware of their strengths, weakness, values, and how they affect others. Skill building. Practical leadership skills such as communication, delegation, and conflict resolution must be developed intentionally over time. Mentoring and coaching. Learning from others through mentorship or coaching provides valuable insights and personalized guidance that accelerate leadership growth. Experience. There is no substitute for real-world experience. Taking on leadership roles and learning through success and failure helps refine one's leadership approach. Continuous learning. The repetition emphasizes its importance. Leadership is not static. It requires ongoing education, reflection, and adaptation to new challenges, trends, and environment. Leadership behavior. Act with ethics and integrity. Leaders must consistently do what is right, regardless of circumstances. Ethical leadership builds credibility and sets a moral standard for others to follow. Build trust. Trust is a foundational to any team. Leaders achieve this by being transparent and consistent in their actions and decisions, creating a stable and dependable environment. Empower others. Strong leaders focus on helping their team members grow. This includes delegating responsibilities, offering guidance, and supporting professional development. Inspire. Leadership involves more than managing tasks. It's about motivating people through a clear vision and shared values. Inspirational leaders ignite passion and purpose in others. Thoughtful decisions. Effective leaders balance logic and emotion when making decisions. They consider data but also weigh the human impact of their choices. Encourage innovation. Good leaders are not afraid of change. They actively embrace new ideas, support experimentation, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Reward achievement. Recognizing team contributions in a meaningful way boosts morale and encourages continued high performance.